I've been trying something new, and this has been my go-to cup of coffee for the last 2.5, maybe 3 weeks. I've tried this right here. It's Maxwell House International Vanilla Caramel Latte, and you're going to need this. It's about 9 servings, and you're also going to need some coffee. I have some U-Ban, some Folgers, and I have the Veranda Blend, which is the blonde from Starbucks. And these are my go-tos as far as when I'm making coffee at home. You're going to need some creamer of choice. I have 2 vanilla creamers here. I usually just use half and a half, but I thought, hey, let's be fancy. I have some Reddi whipped 0 sugar. So right now I have Folgers in my French press, and we're ready to go. Boom. I'm going to fill this up. So keep in mind, this is going to be 120 calories per tablespoon. I don't know who, is interested in calories or not, but I actually look at the back of things and just, check things out. So I'm actually going to do 2. So this is going to be like a whole breakfast in a cup after I'm done. No, it's not really, because this is the only calories that are actually going in, except for a little bit of Reddi whip and just the little creamer that I have. So I have 2 scoops. If it's not sweet enough, I will add another. So now I'm going to go ahead and press my coffee. And I'm going to start adding my coffee. And this does what it says. It's like cappuccino. I'm going to stir that. Since I'm single here, yes, I'm allowed to double dip in my own house. I'm the only person here, and I never even licked the spoon. I just wanted to put that out there because, I'm a real person. I'm a real person, okay? I'm keeping it real. Okay, I'm just joking. Don't take me serious, especially if I haven't had coffee or any type of energy drink. I'm going to go ahead and give that a nice little stir. Baby, what's up? I'm only using 1 creamer. You can use more if you like. Because this stuff is really, really sweet. It has some good taste going. So I don't need that much creamer. So I'm only using 1 vanilla creamer. And then I'm going to top it off with my 0 sugar Reddi whip. And yes, you could tell I've been having this cup of coffee whenever I go to make some because I'm hitting pan, or this is basically an empty now. Yeah, so I need to re-up on those. Yeah, so here we go. And if you want to get fancy, I'm just doing this. You don't have to. Just put a little tiny sprinkle of that on there, and you got yourself a fancy looking coffee that tastes really, really amazing. Yes, so this has been my go-to coffee at home. I've been making it whenever I want a cup of coffee, and usually in the morning. So try this out, and you may or may not like it. To each its own. They do have different flavors of this, but if I remember correctly, I didn't like any of the other flavors in the past, but I actually seen this one. I don't know how new it is, but it's the first time I ever seen it in the store. So I picked it up and thought, give it a whirl. And it's really, really good. So I'm going to go have a cup of coffee and try this out if you want to. And I'll see you guys in my next upload.